Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix failure to download launcher data error on Synapse X. Disable antivirus software temporarily the fail to download launcher data error on Synapse X may be caused by antivirus software blocking the application. To fix this issue, you can temporarily disable your antivirus software. And here are the steps to do this. Locate your antivirus software to icon in the system tray, and which is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Right click on the icon and select the options to disable the software temporarily and launch the Synapse X again, and check if the error message has been resolved, and re-extract the reinstall Synapse and X. If the issue is caused by corrupted or missing the files, you can try re-extracting and reinstalling the Synapse X to fix the error message. And here are the steps to do this. Navigate to the folder the Synapse X is installed on the system, and try to use the Steam browser console command. Right click on the setup file and click the select the option to extract the files. And once the files have been extracted, uninstall Synapse X from this your system and reinstall Synapse X from the extracted files, and use a VPN. Using a VPN can help the bypass the network firewall issue that may be causing the fail to download the launcher data error message on Synapse X. Here are the steps to use a VPN. Download the and install a VPN such as the Proton VPN on your system, and use mobile data. If you are using Synapse X to inject scripts into the games like Roblox using mobile data instead of a Wi-Fi connection, maybe by help bypass the network firewall issue. Here are the steps to use mobile data and turn off your Wi-Fi connection on your device, and add a inbound and outbound rules in Windows Firewall. And adding inbound and outbound rules in Windows Firewall can help fix the fail to download launcher data error message on Synapse X. Here are the steps to add rules. Press the Windows keys plus R to open run dialog box, and check on the browser button and navigate to the Synapse X install folder and select the Synapse X executed file and click on next, and select allow the connection and option and click on next, and name the rule and click on finish, and repeat the steps 4 to 9 for outbound rules. And thanks for watching us.